Leadpages has an excellent affiliate program. It is a platform designed to help you with lead generation, specifically through landing pages. They provide you with conversion optimization tools, drag and drop builder, and focuses on landing pages. The Leadpages affiliate program helps you earn passive income when your referrals build their own business. Joining Leadpages is easy. Just apply to become an affiliate, and you will be provided with a unique URL. Once your referrals become paying customers, you earn 10 to 50% lifetime commission from every transaction for as long as they are Leadpages customers. They also provide you with promotional assets and training materials. There are many reasons to join Leadpages. With an exponentially growing customer base and an incredible service, Leadpages stands out. You start with an initial commission of 40% of the first payment of a new customer you refer. You can even earn 50% if you are in the gold status. You get recurring commissions ranging from 10 to 50%. The rate depends on the revenue from new customer sales you generate in the 30 days prior to a sale or renewal. If you make sales of less than $49, you get 10% as you are in the bronze tier. You get 40% in the silver tier if your sale is between $49 to $3,000. And if you make sales of more than $3,000, you get a commission of 50% in the gold tier. Your affiliate dashboard contains your earning tier based on the last 30 days of sales. On top of that, you get a 90 days cookies life, which grows your potential to earn even more. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.